Now then, I seem to switch on when I'm here. Weird. It's Monday. I don't even know. It's just flying by. It's the day after Sunday. I'm heading back down to Teesside to completely remove everything from that job. So this will be quite possibly the last wagon load going down to that job and coming back. We're now done with Teesside. Can't believe it. It's been a great job, long 6, 7, 8 months, maybe more. Just sitting at 56. Like I say, I've got no on the back. I'm going to go down. I'm just loading up. There's 3 lads down there stripping all the gear away. Throw it on. I'll have to do all the humming because I was only in a couple of days last week because I'd have a little operation. Went well though. It's not stopping us from coming in today. It's my first day back. I feel fine, but a wee bit tender. Got to admit, you know, like it's the first time I've come back off a holiday, especially a long one like that, and not being bothered about going back to work. You know, like kicking your heel. Nah, not this time. Makes a change, doesn't it? So there was a guy left a comment on one of my first trucking vlogs when I just passed. You should go back and have a read. Honestly, it's comical what he says. Like, and he's saying that you must be an alien if you pass the test, or like from another planet, or just really lucky in that, and picking the bones out of it. I hit him back with a cheeky little comment back saying, "Oh well, thanks for your input. I'll head back to my planet now with a lot more knowledge, so to speak, more wise," I said. And then he come back on basically no disrespect, just sour grapes because he's failed twice, bless him. He shouldn't give up. Two little things, but I mean, can't be little if you fail. It must be, you know, unless he's had like over, I think it's 14 or 15 minors, and that's classed as a major. So does he mean that he's gone over the minors? I don't know, but he shouldn't give up if that's what he wants to do. He's obviously keen because I looked at his site and he's just the do you know, the trucking sort of like computerized trucking, driving games and that. I don't know what you call them, but he's into that. So it's obviously a massive passion for him, wanting to do it. some weight on the back of that. Ooh, wouldn't mind weighing that in. Must be sitting at like 54 and I was sitting at 56 there. It took forever to get past them. I will have a look at, or have I missed it? Oh, I bet you were past it. The Amazon, I think I might have just passed it. Get it on the way back. Have a look how big it's got now. It's like I noticed when I come down here last week and the first one back, all the sides were up in that. Flying. No, I don't think we're past it. Durham Services, I think, is next. The van door, my van, driver's side, you can get out, no bother, but when you lock it and open it, you can't get in from the, like obviously you can't get in from the outside, but for some reason I've ordered a new handle because of looking online. A few people say issues with the handle, eventually wear and tear, and wears it down, it just doesn't have enough pull, so we'll see. Handle, brand new handle was only £8, free postage, cheap as out. Cheap as out. Why is everybody buying toilet paper, by the way? Can I just ask? I don't get it. I don't bulk buy, I don't stock up in a crisis or anything like that, like these, what they're making out. But I'm convinced because somebody's started it off going, oh, I'm stocking up on toilet papers and things like that. And I literally went into 2 shops yesterday and there wasn't a single roll of bog roll. Now I'm down to 3 in the house, 3 bog rolls left. There'll be hell on if I can't get any. Because of people sitting there with 500 rolls in the house. Idiots. Why toilet paper? Why is that so essential? Like it just comes in normally. It's so weird. Right. Catch us in a bit. It looks worse than it is. Just because I'm joining the A19. This does move eventually. What time is it now? 9:20. Just fingers crossed. There's that port of time now on my right hand side. Curtain cider, so I don't know where he's going. There wasn't many curtain cider jobs I did for Port of Tyne. I've driven that wagon though. No, I haven't. LGF doesn't sound familiar. Get on the A19, I come straight back off again for the Stockton turn off. I could have come and gone through Stockton town centre and that, but for this time of day going through Stockton, I've done it before school run and that, it's just a pig. It's like this is the only traffic I've hit since I've got in the wagon today, apart from Gosforth area, which is normally slow anyway. But going through Stockton, it's 8:45 in the morning. Crap. And the van behind let us in because he's sitting there texting on his phone. So when I'm empty, I always pull away in third and get away in second if you want, fourth, should I say, not second. Rev the crap out of it. I'm just hovering between third and fourth at the moment. Pick up pace once everyone gets sort of organised. Time 20 on and a skelly slider. In the low range. a good place for the lassie to break down, is it? She's doing the right thing, other side of the barrier. Poor bugger. Stockton for the last time. And this anyway, for a while anyway, there's other jobs coming up in and around the area. Not for a while, but when they do come up, we've got them. Steel. Get my garage redone, you know. Really not happy with what I have now. In fact, it's rubbish. I'm getting a double garage built, so it's coming up. Getting that done within the next couple of months, hopefully before the summer kicks in, so all the muck and everything's out the way, because just spent a fortune in the back garden last year and done loads to it, and spent the entire weekend in there this weekend on my time off just pottering, because I couldn't really do anything physical but grey salt, point the finger for the wife to do stuff. Always good fun that. My wife's here next Monday teaching first aid at a big facility just on the right hand side. Shame it wasn't today, could have met her for lunch. So red, going to green, just roll in. Oh yeah. He's a conscientious driver, nicely took around that corner quite tight. Maybe would have split that lane myself, got around it no bother. Right, that's it, because I'm only just here, so I'll catch you soon.